Hi there, welcome to the McNay Art Museum's Art for All Spring Break Edition. This project is a nature portrait. For your nature portrait, you'll just need a handful of supplies, mainly objects and materials gathered outdoors. These are things like flowers, rocks, sticks, and leaves. You may choose to have a background for your portrait. You could just find a piece of sidewalk, or maybe choose a sheet of colored construction paper. And then finally, you'll need a smartphone or camera to capture your nature portrait while the flowers and leaves are still looking their best. The inspiration for this project is Jennifer Steinkamp's video, Botanic 3, which is featured in Limitless, 5 Women Reshape Contemporary Art, which is on view at the McNay. The nature portrait activity and the video that follows was developed by McNay staffer Brian Silva. Have fun!